Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we're still at the Château Comtal de Fenouillet.
And you might have noticed there is another castle behind us.
It's the Château Sabarda. Let's go and check it out. We are still in the small town of Fenouillet, home to two castles a short distance away from the town centre. To the north, there's last week's feature, the Viscount's Castle, which has some stunning views over the Château Sabarda. It is a small stronghold located on a rocky outcrop.
First mentioned in the 12th century as Rocca Samardana, the castle's main purpose was to support the defense of the main castle of Fenouillet. In that regard, it is quite a rare example in this region of a secondary fortification meant to protect the main castle.
After a steep climb, we reached the ruins of this little fort, which obviously didn't have much luxury in its time, but instead was meant as a surveillance fortress. The castle is built in such a way that its walls appear to become one with the rock below.
When the region came under royal control after the Albigensian Crusade, the castle of Sabarda was actually rebuilt. So what we see today is newer than what we saw over at the Viscount's Castle of Fenouillet. It would remain a manned fortress until the 15th century, when the castle seems to have been abandoned.
The small quadrangular ruin is flanked by two round towers at either side. It provides great views over the surrounding landscape and has a commanding presence over the entire valley. With a panoramic view over the southern approaches to the town, its strategic role is evident. Château Sabarda conquered. Let's continue on with the arbitrary subjective castle score. I'm gonna go for 6.5. Quite small in the end, though astonishing views again. What do you think?
I think a 7. Astonishing views, indeed. It's also quite peculiar, so extra points for that.
Thank you so much for watching. We were the History Hikers.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that other good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
And until next time.
Bye!
Bye.